Cassie, really fantastic work here. Excuse me, I've lost my voice. I'm a little under the weather, so it's probably really uncomfortable to listen to me talk. So I'll try to make this quick. It's getting worse as the day progresses too. So, all right, outstanding, outstanding work. So composition. First composition is no contrast in weight, no contrast in size or weight, and all of hierarchy is great based on grouping, which you've successfully done. To reinforce the grouping here, what I would do is I would increase the space between the Chevy Impala and the rest of the description. So just increase that space a little bit, further reinforcing your grouping and your proximity, and further emphasizing this 67 Chevy Impala as the #1 position focal point in typographic hierarchy. Second composition, we're looking for one new size, one new weight, which you combine your size and your weight right here. These are really super interesting, nice, gentle, soft touch. Love this work. Beautiful, beautiful composition right here. Beautiful composition right here. This one, I've got a little bit of a recommendation here. So right now, I think this design is actually for multiple contrasts in weight and scale, but I'm not really seeing multiple contrasts. Um, we've got this new weight, new scale here. Then you've got this set on an italic, but that's the only, this is looking for, remember, multiple. So you want to add multiple changes in scale and weight. It's going to have to probably require a little bit more creativity here. But this is good. This is interesting setup. My recommendation here is to increase the space right here just to get this group a little bit further away from the title area, just emphasizing proximity and placement to establish hierarchy just to a little bit of a greater degree. And then, of course, the fourth, again, looking for multiple contrasts in weight and scale, not just one or two, as we see here. Also, don't forget, the car has to be, I'm not sure I would use a guy in the car. I might just use the image alone of the car. And the reason being is because the image has to be black and white, as we can see in the course, in the assignment requirements right here, black and white. And then also the car itself has got to bleed in two areas. So you want to get that bleeding. As far as hierarchy goes, remember multiple. Other than that, I think your layouts are gorgeous. Just a little bit of fine tuning, I think you'll be just fine. Be sure to take a look at the course announcements. Very, very important. This example right here is one of the best examples I've ever seen in establishing hierarchy. You want to go through this. Take your time. Also, everything in this video is really important. There's 6 videos in this announcement and a bunch of resources. So definitely want to spend some time in here. And then also be sure to go over to page 101 in the textbook. The whole chapter on hierarchy in the textbook is fantastic. But page 101 specifically has a bunch of examples of how to establish hierarchy using the same text, using the same kind of textual layout, but establishing hierarchy based on proximity, alignment, and scale change. Emphasis based on scale and weight. So take a look at that. Okay, outstanding start. But I would like to see those recommendations being reflected in your final submission, specifically in the third and fourth compositions. All right, fantastic start. If you have any questions at all, Cassie, please let me know. Great, thanks.